Welcome to Beautyistic. I've got something for you today that's going to change the way you do your nails at home. If you love that gel manicure look but don't want to deal with UV lamps, Sally Hansen has a solution for you. Let's talk about the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in the shade Midnight Mod. This semi-opaque, shiny blue polish is designed to give you that salon-perfect manicure without the hassle of UV lights. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Sally Hansen Miracle Gel formula is one of those products that promises long-lasting gel-like shine without the need for a UV lamp. The brand claims up to 8 days of wear, which is a big deal for anyone who's tired of chipped nails after just a few days. This particular shade, Midnight Mod, is a deep, glossy blue that is perfect for anyone who loves bold yet sophisticated colors. Its semi-opaque finish gives it a rich look, but it still lets a bit of your natural nails show through, which I think adds a nice touch of dimension. Now, let's talk about what's inside the bottle. The key feature here is the gel-like formula, which Sally Hansen promises will give you the long-lasting effects of a salon gel manicure, but without the UV light. It's a two-step process. You apply the polish, then finish it off with the Miracle Gel top coat, which is also sold separately. I'll get into that in a moment. But first, let me walk you through my experience using this product. When I first applied Midnight Mod, the polish went on smoothly. It was thick enough to create a solid streak-free layer, but not so thick that it felt cumbersome. The color was vibrant from the first coat, though I recommend 2 coats to get that perfect gel-like finish. One of the things I really appreciate about this product is how quickly it dries. No UV light, no long waits, just a fast-drying, high-shine finish. The first few days of wear were great. The polish looked shiny, and the color was striking. What I did notice, though, was that after about 5 days, there was some minor chipping around the edges, which, for me, is the telltale sign of wear. Still, I was impressed that it lasted as long as it did without needing a touch-up. This is where I have to mention the top coat. Without it, you won't get that lasting shine, so I strongly recommend you use the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel top coat. It's an essential step in this system. Now onto the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula really does deliver a glossy, gel-like finish without the UV light, which is a huge win for those who prefer convenience. It's also easy to apply with good opacity in 2 coats. The color is bold and vibrant, making a statement with that shiny blue tone. But there are a couple of downsides. First, while the product lasts longer than regular nail polish, it doesn't live up to the full 8-day promise if you're really hard on your nails. There's some chipping after 5 days, especially if you're doing tasks like typing, washing dishes, or anything that involves rough contact with your hands. Also, keep in mind that the price point is a little higher than traditional polishes, and you'll need to buy the top coat separately, which adds to the cost. When it comes to value for money, I think the Miracle Gel formula is good, but I'm not sure if it justifies the price, unless you really hate the UV light and want to avoid salons. That being said, it's still a great option for anyone who likes a long-lasting manicure without the commitment of a professional gel treatment. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are a few nail polishes on the market that offer long-lasting wear, that's like SE Gel Couture or OPI Infinite Shine, which are similar but might cost a little less in the long run, especially when you factor in the need for a separate top coat. As far as build quality, the packaging is pretty standard. The bottle is sturdy, and the brush is designed for easy application. The polish itself has a decent shelf life, and it stays effective as long as you store it properly. However, if you're like me, you may have to deal with the top coat becoming a little thick and goopy after a few months of use, but that's pretty standard for any nail polish. So, should you give the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel a try? If you're someone who loves the look of gel manicures, but can't stand the idea of sitting under UV lights, this is a solid product for you. It offers that gel-like finish without the need for expensive salon visits. However, keep your expectations realistic on the longevity. I'd recommend it to people who want a quick, at-home manicure with a little extra shine and color depth. Before we wrap up, if this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you've tried this product or any other Miracle Gel shades, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.